Standard 12th Business Mathematics Exercise 4.5 11th question 4d square plus 16d plus 15 into y is equal to 4e power minus 3 by 2x. So straight away we will go to auxiliary equation. The auxiliary equation is, convert your d to m, so you will get it as 4m square plus 16m plus 15 is equal to 0. So this is the auxiliary equation. Now your question has become as a quadratic equation. So we'll have to go to your factorization. Okay, before that, multiply this 4 and this 15 and write it on top. So 4 15s I will get it as 60. So I'll just write 60 on top and down it is 16. Okay, plus 16. So when you are multiplying two numbers, you will have to get 60. Same two numbers adding or subtracting, you will have to get your 16 over there. So I'll just write 10 into 6. 10 6 I will get 60. So 10 into 6 you will get 60. When you are adding 10 plus 6 it will become 16. But we have multiplied this 4. So that 4 has to be divided here. So divided by 4 and divided by 4. Can cancel it here itself. So we will get 5 times. And here it is twice. Same way here it is thrice you will get, and here it is twice. So once you have finished up your cancellation, you can go back to your value of m. So m plus 5 by 2, that is your first answer what you got it here, into m plus this 3 by 2, that is equal to 0. M is equal to minus 5 by 2, comma, this is minus 3 by 2. Here therefore the roots are real and both the values are different, so you can declare as real and different. Therefore your formula for CF is a e power m1x plus b e power m2x. So equal to a e power, instead of m1 you will have to write minus 5 by 2 x plus b e power m2 is minus 3 by 2. So minus 3 by 2 x. So this is your CF. Okay, now you will have to find your particular integral because they have given the term 4 e power minus 3 by 2 x. So going to your particular integral pi, that is equal to 1 divided by, your question asks it is without your y. So 4d square plus 16d plus 15 into that, what is there that side of your equal to, you have to write as it is 4 e power minus 3 by 2 x. So you have to check it. I have told you before itself. Check your value, that is the coefficient of x and your value of m. If anything is same, you will have to proceed different method. Okay, so here we have got the coefficient of x is minus 3 by 2. The same minus 3 by 2 here also we have equal to. So if one term, that is one value is same, so you can introduce 1x over there in the numerator, then 1 divided by, that is one time differential of your denominator, you will have to do it. Clear? If both the elements that values are same, then you will have to do twice differential. Okay, but we have got only once the value is same, this value and this is same in only one place. So you will have to just do your differential. It is single time differential, you will have to do it. So we'll just go to the differential now. 4d square. D square, if you differentiate, you will get 2d. But 4 is there, so 4 into 2d, it will become 8d. Then plus 16d, when you are differentiating, you will get 16. Then plus 15 is there, 15 is a constant, so when you are differentiating, it will become 0. So this is your differential into 4e power minus 3 by 2x. So which is equal to x into, the next step is now you will have to substitute your value, that is the coefficient of x as d. Okay, so here the coefficient of x is minus 3 by 2. So in the place of d you will have to substitute your minus 3 by 2. So you will get it as 1 divided by 8 into minus 3 by 2 plus this 16 will be there as it is into 4 e power minus 3 by 2x. So which is equal to x into, you can cancel this 2 and 8, you will get 4 times. So it is 1 divided by 4 into 3, it is minus 3 is there, so we will get minus 12 plus 16 into 4 e power minus 3 by 2x. So that is equal to x into 1 divided by, subtracting you will get your 4. Again here 4 e power minus 3 by 2x is there. So this 4 and this 4 you can cancel. So that is equal to x e power minus 3 by 2x. So this is your pi. Therefore the general solution is y is equal to CF plus PI. So your CF is, you got it here. So just write that answer as it is, a e power minus 5 by 2x plus b e power minus 3 by 2x plus your PI is this answer. So it is x e power minus 3 by 2x. So this is the answer for your 11th question. 12th question, 3d square plus d minus 14 into y is equal to 13e power 2x. So straight away you can go to the auxiliary equation. The auxiliary equation is convert your d to m. Okay, so it is 3m square plus m minus 14 is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation in the format of m. So before going to your factorization, just multiply these two numbers, okay, and write it on top. So 14 3s I will get 42, but minus is there, so put minus here, okay. And here it is plus 1, so you can write plus 1 down. So when you are multiplying two numbers, you will have to get minus 42. Adding or subtracting the same two numbers, you will have to get plus 1. So I will just go to 6 7s are 42 will get. So 6 7s are 42, but you will have to get plus here. So put plus for the bigger number and minus for your smaller number. So now just check it and see. 6 7s are 42, minus into plus is minus, so your upper part is satisfied. And your down is plus 7 minus 6 is there. Just subtract, you will get your plus 1. Okay. So both the values are satisfied, but we are only multiplying this 3. So just divide here by 3 and here also by 3. If you are able to cancel it. Here you can cancel it, you go twice. But this side it won't be able to cancel it, so leave as it is. So m minus 2 into m plus 7 by 3 is equal to 0. Therefore m is equal to 2 comma minus 7 by 3. Clear? Minus 2 is there, means it will become 2, and plus 7 by 3 is there, so it will become minus 7 by 3. So you got the values of m, m1 and m2 is ready. Therefore we can write the roots are real and different. Therefore the CF formula is a e power m1x plus b e power m2x. So instead of m1 and m2, you will have to substitute these two values here, okay. So that is equal to a e power 2x, m1 we can write it as 2x, plus b e power m2 is there, so I will just write it as minus 7 by 3 x, it is in the power, okay. So this is your CF. Next we'll have to find pi. So pi is equal to 1 divided by, your question asks it is leaving out your y. Okay, so it is 3d square plus d minus 14. 13 e power 2x they have given towards your right hand side. So bring that 13 e power 2x. Pi is equal to x into 1 divided by the differential of the denominator 3d square. When you differentiate it will become 6d plus d when you are differentiating it will become 1 into 13 e power 2x. Now the next step is x into 1 divided by, in the place of d you will have to put 2 now. Okay, so 6 into 2 plus 1 into this 13 e power 2x will be there as it is. So the next step is x into 1 divided by 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 1 into 13 e power 2x. So that is equal to x into 1 by 13. Again we have got 13 e power 2x. So this 13 and 13 you can cancel. So x e power 2x is your pi. Now going to your general solution. The general solution is y is equal to CF plus pi. So CF, what we have got it here, just write that answer. So that is a e power 2x plus b e power minus 7 by 3x plus your pi is this answer, that is x e power 2x. So this is the answer for your 12th question. 13th question, suppose that the quantity demanded QD is equal to 13 minus 6p plus 2 dp by dt plus d square p by dt square, and quantity supplied QS is equal to minus 3 plus 2p, where p is the price. Find the equilibrium price for market clearance they have asked you. Okay, so we'll just start with the market clearance. For market clearance, the required condition is QD is equal to QS. So because of that only they have given QD and QS here in your question. Okay, so now we can just straight away just substitute those values here. 13 minus 6p plus 2 dp by dt plus d square p divided by dt square is equal to q as they have given it here. So it is minus 3 plus 2p. The next step is bring everything towards one side. So I'll get 13. I'll just bring this minus 3. This side it will become plus 3 minus 6p, and here you got plus 2p. So again it will become minus 2p plus this value, it is 2 dp by dt plus d square p divided by dt square is equal to 0. Now just write it in the format, that is d square form first, then d form, then the constant. Okay, so first will be d square p divided by dt square. Next this term, so plus 2 into dp by dt minus these two terms clubbing together, you get 8p, which is equal to constant. You can remove it that side. Okay, so plus 13 plus 3 is there, so it will become plus 16. If you take it that side, it will become minus 16. Now it is in the format of the given question. Normally the question will be given in this format. Okay, now the next step is we have to convert this question to a capital D format. So d square plus 2d minus 8 into p is equal to minus 16. The auxiliary equation is m square plus 2m minus 8 is equal to 0. So going to your factorization, minus 8 on top, down plus 2. So we'll write 4 2s are 8 plus 4 minus 2. Now it will be satisfied. So you can go it as m plus 4 into m minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore m is equal to minus 4 comma 2. Therefore you can declare the roots are real and different. The CF is equal to a e power m1t plus b e power m2t, because the function is in the term of t, so we'll have to write t. Okay, so that is equal to a e power m1 is this minus 4, so minus 4t plus b e power 2, m2 is 2, so 2t, that is your CF. Now pi is equal to 1 divided by this value. Okay, so d square plus 2d minus 8, and we have got minus 16, so I'll just write minus 16 e power 0t, because nothing is there in the power of e, so we'll just introduce e power 0t equal to 1 divided by, wherever d is there just put 0. Okay, so this part will become 0 and here this will become 0, only minus 8 will be there. So minus 8 again into minus 16 e power 0t. Minus and minus will go, 8 and 16 twice it will go. So the answer will be 2 e power 0t. Again e power 0 will become 1 itself, so straight away your answer will be 2. So that is your pi. Now your general solution is y is equal to CF plus PI. CF is your answer, what you got it before. So a e power minus 4t plus b e power 2t, that is here. Then plus your PI is nothing but your 2. So this is the answer for your 13th question.